Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to add songs to your Spotify playlist. Right now, I'm at the Spotify home screen. At the bottom of the screen, you can see there's icons for home, search, and your library and premium. We're going to click on the your library one. As you can see, all your playlists are here, all the ones you've made. I've made about 3. So I'm going to click my pinned playlist at the top. If you don't know how to pin a playlist, we have a video on that. We're gonna click it, and then as you open your playlist, the first thing that is on top of your songs is add songs. So we're gonna click that add songs, and we're just gonna add some songs we like. And that's about it. That's how you add songs to your playlist. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Goodbye, guys.